Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the route type on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the routes icon next to the home button at the lower bar on the page, and new, click to the filter icon at the upper side of the screen. Go to the last section, the route type, and here you can select any circular and out and back option. And just select one, for example the circular, and just click to the next white circle, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.